Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because we'll be doing a makeup tutorial. So we'll be trying out a whole makeup look with just lipstick. So we'll just be using lipstick, guys. Okay, so before you guys were like, girl, what are you thinking? I've tried this before and it works, guys. There's 3 benefits to using lipstick as well for your whole makeup look. The first one, it's beginner friendly. Second, if you don't have a shade, lipstick is there for you. Third, if you like a glossy, shiny look, lipstick. But I'm not gonna waste time and talk. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows because nobody has to see how crusty and bad they are. I'm just not happy with them. But anyways, for this whole look, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Paris Le Chocolat Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Tasty Ruby. I'm gonna just take a little bit with like a shading brush because we're gonna try like blend it. Now this lipstick is liquid matte, I believe. Yeah, so I know with matte lipstick you have to be very quick even when you apply it, because when it gets dry, look at me talking while I'm supposed to be applying. So I'm just gonna apply and speak about it, because when it gets dry it gets harder for you to kind of like blend it or apply it properly. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. Wow. So I'm just blending it. I'm not putting too much because I just feel like a little will go a long way. And I'm just getting it all over my lid. And then what I'm gonna do is just blend the outer corners with my finger. My fingers are clean, so it's fine. Just to make it more blended. Okay, I like this. Looking a bit looks a bit bruised, like I hurt myself. But anyways, it will come together. Just trust the process. Then I'm gonna do the other side. I kind of like, well, not kind of, I like your dark eyeshadow on the lid. I don't know, I just feel like it makes your eyes look, like it makes you look mysterious. So I really like just dark eyeshadow on my lid. So I'm not worried about how it's appearing on my lids. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be using a thin, fine brush like so. And then I'm just gonna use that to put it underneath my eyes, like my waterline, because I think that's gonna be so cute. So I think like underneath your eyes, the color, the pigment of any shade just stands out way more as opposed to your lid. I don't know why that is. I don't know if it's because like there's 2 like different tones, like your under eye is lighter than your lid. I don't know, but it works. So I'm just gonna see, guys, look at how red this one is, and then look how dark this is. You would think that this is like a different shade. I'm just gonna grab a bit more. Ooh, this is pretty. I love this red. Instantly it just made my eyes just stand out more. Just want to make sure I'm doing it correctly, because going about to look crazy. Look at that, guys, how pretty it's coming together. Just have to like trust the process. Then I'm just going to do my cat eye, and I'm gonna make it simple. I think I'm gonna make it like a simple cat eye. The trick how I've mastered doing a cat eye is just like going for it, because you can always clean it up with foundation and then go back in with your shadow, or a quicker way would just be to correct it with eyeshadow, and it does the trick. There you have it. I think I'm done with the eyes. I don't want to put too much of it. The lipstick has dried out already, so it's there to stay. When I tried this the first time, I was kind of like taken aback because I was washing my face and the lipstick wasn't the lipstick wasn't doing what it was supposed to be doing. It wasn't leaving my eyes, and I didn't think that when you work with, let's say, matte lipstick, for washing it, just get an oil and just massage it on your eyes. Just, it will help better. It will help like remove the lipstick quicker, as opposed to just using soap, which is just very harsh. Because you now imagine just scrubbing and scrubbing your eyelids. Like, no, don't do that. Don't do what I did, okay? Use oil if you're struggling to take the shadow out. Only, obviously, or not the shadow, the lipstick. Obviously only when you're using matte lipstick. But if you're using any type of lipstick like velvet or like normal lipstick, then you won't have a problem. It easily comes off. But with matte, just start with oil first and then use your face wash. I'm gonna just get the lashes rolling. I'm gonna put falsies. I think I'm not gonna put one that's too dramatic. I think I'm gonna use this one. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll use this one. This one is pretty and it's not too much. It's just like, it's the right amount of glam. While the lashes are just busy drying up, I'm just gonna put foundation. I continue with the rest of my face. And what was that face? Okay, then just concealer. And then what I like to do while the lashes, let me just quickly put my lashes, I'll be right back, guys. Yes, I just can't see, I don't know, my light is just off today, so I'm hoping that it's looking fine on mirror, so I'm just hoping it also looks fine on camera. So let's just see. When I conceal, I like to just do like an upward motion, just to kind of like lift my eyes and open my eyes up a bit, like just to have like that whole snatch look. What I like to do is just go back with my foundation brush and just make sure that everywhere it's all even and blended. Like there's no harsh lines. Now I'm done with the foundation, concealer, and the contour. I'm just gonna go back in with the lipstick, and I'm literally gonna take like a little bit because I'm gonna use that as blush, and a little goes a long way. And I'm just gonna dab. Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm gonna put too much because also it's not like a bright red. It's a very it's a dark red, so I don't want it to look like, okay, what's this just black mark on your cheekbones. So that's why I'm putting a very little, and as you guys can see, a little goes such a long way. I like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna put powder. Now for powder, when I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna try avoid where I put the lipstick as blush. I want that glow and shiny finish, so I'm only gonna matte everywhere else, but I'm just gonna try avoid by the cheekbones. Then I'm gonna put some highlighter. Okay, then lastly, guys, let's move on to lips. I'm just gonna first outline my lips. And then let's put the lipstick. It's giving me like vampire. And that's not the look that I was going for. Normally when I do red eyeshadow, I like to keep my lips very nude and neutral. So yeah, but I still like it. I think it's still cute. And what do you guys think? So guys, we've come to the end, and I don't know what I wanted to say, but yeah, we've come to the end. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys would try this look out. I think it's a look that's, oh, it's a hack. I would say it's a makeup hack that you should try, because like I said in the beginning of the video, there's 3 benefits. It's beginner friendly. If you don't have a shade of eyeshadow or blush, you lean towards the lipstick, and if you want a glowy dewy look, lean towards the lipstick. And the only time that it won't be obviously glowy and dewy is when you're using matte lipstick, but if you do want that, then you should try the lipstick hack as a makeup look. You know, what other videos you guys would like to see? You should try this hack. I think it's like the most amazing hack to have. Although I don't know how I'm gonna be washing my face, but it's fine. We'll just use oil. Oil does work. But anyways guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.